This project is very helpful if elder people are the senior most people above 60 years people are staying in your house, and during night time they if they want to go for washroom, and you can keep this project near the passage, so during night time only it will turn on. Using this concept we can save the energy, so all the time no need to turn on the bulb. Only when there is a motion near the PIR sensor, LED will be turned on. In this project I have used PIR sensor. This is PIR sensor. This is 12 volts LED bulb. Here it is written 12 volts LED bulb, DC bulb, 5 volts relay module, LDR sensor module, Arduino Uno board, and a breadboard. So this you can fix it on a cardboard, and you can place in your convenient place. And how to do the connection, everything I have explained. Sorry, I will explain everything. I'll explain now. According to the circuit diagram you do the connection. Remember, on breadboard I have used only two rails, one on a ground, another one is a VCC. All red wire they are going to the VCC rail, and black wire they are going to the ground rail. Okay, in order to identify it easily I am using red and black wire, and green wire they are a signal. One signal wire it is coming from LDR, and one is coming from PIR sensor, and one is coming from relay module. All this connection you do according to the circuit diagram, and the circuit diagram I have and the code I have given in a description box. And since you are using 12 volts DC LED bulb, don't connect directly to the Arduino board or to the relay module. So your relay module also get damaged, because I have used 5 volts relay module. But the voltage required by the LED is 12 volts. So you should not connect directly. So instead of that I am using 12 volts adapter here. This is 12 volts adapter. So this 12 volts adapter I have cut the wire. And taken two wires, and one wire, this wire, black wire I am connecting to ground, and the red wire I am connecting to normally open terminal of a normally open terminal of the relay module. And the bulb positive should be connected to common terminal of the relay module, and bulb negative black wire it should be connected to ground. Here I have used the clip, black wire clip. So this is going to the ground terminal. So on the positive of the bulb, this is connected to common terminal. This care you should take while, because you are connecting the adapter to the 230 volts supply and using 12 volts battery. So do the connection carefully, otherwise if you do wrong connection, definitely your Arduino board will go and the relay model also get damaged. In this project I am using LDR sensor and PIR sensor. When there is dark, it means during night time, whenever there is a motion near this project, or near this PIR sensor, the LED will LED light bulb I have used, 12 volts DC LED bulb I have used, it will be turned on. When I have given two conditions, there should be night and there should be a motion, then only LED will be turned on. And on time I have given 10 seconds. If you want to change it, you can modify the code, and after 10 seconds LED will be turned off. So this I'll show you now. Now I have kept LDR in a dark place. This is a dark place and there should be motion. So I'll move my hand near the PIR sensor. See, when I moved my hand, the bulb is turned on. So, and it will be turned on for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it will be turned on. So, whenever during night time, whenever there is a motion, LED will be on. Now during daytime, to represent the day, I am using the mobile torch near the LDR sensor. So when there is day and when there is a motion near the PIR sensor, LED bulb is not on, because I have taken two points here. There should be a night and there should be a motion, but this is day and there is a motion, LED is not on. Now I have taken the other condition. LED is in dark place, but I have kept a PIR sensor that side and there is no motion on that side. Bulb is off. So bulb will turn on only when there is dark and only when there is a motion. When there is motion, LED is on. The project title I have given as Motion Activated Night Lighting System with Arduino PIR sensor and LDR. And here we are using 5 volts relay model, 12 volts LED DC bulb, and 12 volts DC adapter. And this is LDR sensor module, and this is PIR sensor module. And here after uploading your code to the Arduino Uno board, you can connect 5 volts DC adapter to your Arduino board, or else if you don't have 5 volts DC adapter, through the USB cable, you can connect the Arduino board to your laptop. So the Arduino board will get 5 volts supply from your laptop. That also you can do it. How to do the connection? All VCC connections you cannot do directly to the VCC pin, 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno board, because there is only one connect. We can connect only one wire to 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno board. So what you do, you take VCC pin, that is 5 volts pin connection from Arduino board, and to connect it to the one rail on the breadboard. And the VCC pin of PIR sensor, you connect it to the breadboard, connect to breadboard. And LDR VCC pin also you connect to the breadboard where you have connected the Arduino Uno board. And relay input side, this VCC pin also you connect on the breadboard. So how many pins goes to the breadboard? One from 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno board, one from LDR VCC pin, one from PIR VCC pin, and one from relay input VCC pin. In the same way, other line you take as a ground line on the breadboard, and the ground of Arduino Uno board you connect to the ground rail on the breadboard, and LDR ground you connect on the breadboard, PIR ground you connect on the breadboard, and input relay ground also you connect on the breadboard, and two more ground extra you have to connect. One from the DC bulb black wire you connect on the breadboard, and this adapter, 12 volts adapter we must use. The black wire of the adapter is also connected to the breadboard ground. So how many how many connections goes to the breadboard ground? One from ground on the Arduino Uno board, one from LDR sensor module, one ground from PIR sensor module, one ground from 12 volts adapter, one ground from VCC, ground of the DC bulb, and one from the relay module. Total 6 ground pins you should connect. And why we are using 12 volts adapter? Because this is 12 volts bulb. So you cannot connect directly 12 volts between normally open and common terminal. If you connect, definitely your relay will go out damaged or burn, and Arduino board will also get damaged. So what you should do, connect the positive terminal of the bulb to the common terminal of the relay module, and connect the positive terminal of the 12 volts adapter to the normally open terminal of the relay module. So how to get these two wires? You take the 12 volts adapter and cut at the end, you will get two wires, one red and one black. So using this, you can do the connection. In the similar way, 5 volts adapter, you connect it to the Arduino Uno board. So this is all about the in pin. I have not explained. In pin of relay module, you connect to pin number 9. Here, this is very small model, you cannot identify the pin numbers. That's why I have written here pin number 9. Pin number 9 is connected to in pin of relay module, and pin number 2 is connected to out pin of PIR sensor, and A0 pin. This here I have written A0. A0 pin is connected to D out pin of LDR. So this is all about the connection, and whatever I have explained here, everything I have written neatly the procedure. You go through the procedure, and now I'll explain the code. So the pin number in pin of relay module, it is connected to pin number 9. That's why we are declaring constant in, and the variable name is equal to 9. Similarly, PIR out, it is connected to pin number 2. LDR and output, it is connected to A0 pin of Arduino Uno board. And all relay pin we are making as output pin, and PIR and LDR, since the Arduino is getting data from these two acts as an input pin, and the relay will send the data to the LED to turn it on. So LED bulb to turn it on. So we are making this as an output pin. If you want to see the value displayed by the given by the LDR, so you can use the serial monitor. For that purpose, we are giving serial.begin 9600 baud rate. And here we are reading the PIR value using digital read PIR value. We'll store it in a PIR value. Next, LDR also we are reading, because I have connected to A0 pin, I must use analog read and storing it in LDR value. And after that, we will print in a serial monitor. And if it is is night Boolean variable I am taking, if the LDR value is less than 500, I'll assume that it is night time. If it is more than 500, I'll assume it is a daytime. So here you can adjust the threshold value based on your environmental condition. And if it is night, and if a PIR is giving, if there is a motion, if it is giving high value, if both the conditions are true, then only we will turn on the bulb. So to turn on the bulb, I must send high to the relay pin. So when I send high to the relay pin, bulb will be turned on, and in serial monitor, it will display motion detected at night and bulb is on. So after that, the bulb will remain on for 10 seconds. Here also you can modify. If you want to on for 15 seconds or 20 seconds, you can change the number here. And after 20 seconds or 10 seconds, you make it low, send low to the relay pin, the bulb will be turned off. So this is for to avoid the repetitive reading, I am giving a delay of 1000. Rapid read to conserve the power also. We are giving a delay of 1000. So this is all about the coding. After writing the code, you choose the board, go to the tools, select the board under AVR board, Arduino, select the Arduino Uno board, and under port, you select the port to which your Arduino board is connected, then upload your code. So after uploading, you check the result.